Okay, for this one we're doing excuse me, a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches long or 35.56 centimeters. It's melted together to form a loop connected to make the core. We're using 2 colors. The green is 84 inches long or 213.36 centimeters. The yellow is 66 inches long or 167.64 centimeters. All paracord used is 4 millimeters thick, and we're going to be using FIDs at some point. You're going to need a lighter, a pair of scissors, a presser, and let's do it. Okay, and we'll go through the side of the cow hitches and center it. Okay, and we're going to start with what I call figure 8. From the right, green comes up from the bottom in between 2 and 3. From the left side, the green goes over this one, then goes underneath, up from the bottom in between 2 and 3, goes down in a loop on the right side. In the yellow, from the bottom, we go in between 2 and 3. And we go down in between 2 and 3. And come up right here. And into the side. From the left side, come underneath, come up in between 1 and 2, goes down in between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and then comes up in between 2 and 3. Slide up, tighten. Alright, now back from the right side again. The green cuts up under in between 2 and 3, goes to your left. The green from the left goes over it, down underneath, and comes up in between 2 and 3, and down to the loop on the left side. Okay, the yellow from the right side goes beside it, underneath, and then comes up in between 2 and 3. The yellow from the left side, same thing, goes down, beside, left side, comes underneath, and comes up in between 2 and 3. Okay. The green from the left side comes underneath and in between 2 and 3. From the left side goes over, down, under, up in between 2 and 3, down through the loop on the right side. Now, yellow goes across, down, in between 2 and 3, and comes up on the right side of it, between 2 and 3. Left side, down in between 2 and 3, and comes up between 2 and 3 on the left side. Slide up, cinch. Pull, tighten. Now you see no weave.
In my room late at night, colors mix in the light, twisting ropes feeling tight, crafting dreams, that's my flight. Knot by knot, weave, it's true. Making bracelets just for you. Under stars or sky so blue. With each thread I find new hue. Twist and tie in the sky. Rainbow dreams come alive. Hold my hand, never shy. Paracord till we fly high. In the park, sun does shine, making patterns, you'll be mine. Through the loops, our lives bind. Magic moments we will find. Weaving stories every day, different shades in our way. Hold on tight, don't you sway. Paracord, we're okay. Twist the colors, let them show. Wristbands to let love flow. In the sunshine, watch them glow. Making memories to stow. Weaving stories every day, different shades in our way. Hold on tight, don't you sway. Paracord, we're okay. Twist the colors, let them show. Wristbands to let love flow. In the sunshine, watch them glow. Making memories to stow. In my room late at night, colors mix in the light, twisting ropes